Hi everybody, Marty DeGarmo here. I wanted to make this short video. As you know, I'm in Unify. I found a home. Absolutely love it. Sharing it with everybody I know. I thought that the products they had were just super. Anybody can do it. And then last Monday they came out with another product that just blows me away. It's for anyone. I mean anyone. Zero experience. You're working 40 to 60 hours a week. You've got kids. You just got a hustle and bustle life. This is amazing. And let me show you how it works. Unify send us signals, okay, and they tell us whether to buy or sell. In the universal signal that they came out with last Monday, you get the same thing, but the difference is you get about 7 of them a year. So you average about 1 every 2 months. And for the East Coast, it comes in at 8 o'clock at night, bing, you go to your back office, it says buy or sell. That's it. And like I said, most of the time you're doing nothing. And you think, well, how can you make money? It's called compounding. Albert Einstein said, the 8th wonder of the world is compounding. And I'll give you an example that most of us have heard. Would you rather have $1 million or a penny a day doubled for 30 days? Do the penny a day doubled, compounded for 30 days, and see what you have. You're a multi-millionaire. You throw that $1 million away for that. Okay? And it's time. In other words, like the first 3 weeks, you don't make anything. Very little. And then after that, it's boom, 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 boom. Okay? It grows like a weed. Grows like a bamboo plant. Okay? So anyway, let me give you an example so you understand what I'm saying. Let's say you started with $100 for 72 months, 6 years. Only $100. Now remember, the average I'm saying is 8.5% return. Their data is showing that they actually did over 15. But they want to keep it down because they would rather over-deliver. So we're saying 8.5 just to make it, because when you see this, you're going to be blown away. And if it's higher than that, better yet. So let's say you put in $100. That's it. Nothing else. And you did these signals, which come out, average of 7 a year. You're going to make 35 grand, over $35,558.31 in 6 years off of $100. Okay, let me show you something else. Let's say you went in at 500. Now remember, this is all compounding. $500, 6 years, $500 only. $177,791.57. Yes, yes. And a lot of my stuff that I'm sending you, email from me, Mike Ellis, or Dan Street, the calculator's with it. The one you're seeing right here. You can use it. Do what you want with it. Another scenario. Let's say you added $100 a month. Down there. And you added that every month for the 6 years. Boom! $500,000. More than $500,000. That's compounding. That's compounding. That's 8.5%. Good chance it's going to be better. But we don't want to say that. But good chance it's going to be better. And this has nothing to do with the value of Bitcoin going up. Nothing to do with that. If that goes up, that's just gravy on the top. That's a cherry on top of the ice cream. Let me show you another one. I'll put that back at 0. Let's say you had $1,000 that you could put in. 1,000 for 6 years. 8.5%. Like I said, it's done double that almost. Over 15. I have all this information. I'm sending it to you constantly. I want you to look at it. I want you to know this is what you want. Because if you know what I know, most of you will want it. This isn't a sell. This is me sharing with you something that can take us in our 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s who looks at our retirement and says we're going to be broke. You are where you are now. Are you going to be better a year from now, 2 years from now? What are you doing different? Same thing I was doing. Nothing. So it doesn't get better by accident. You have to do something. Compounding's the magical thing. It's magical. Okay, let's say you started with $1,000. Look at this calculation. 6 years. 355,583.13. Never put another dime in. $1,000. 6 years. Are you kidding? I mean, that's paying stuff off. Are you going to save that much in 6 years or whatever you're doing? 401 or all that stuff? I did all that. There's nothing. And then let's say you did 5,000. Some people can, some people can't. 1,777,915.65. That's a killer. Take the calculator. Ask for it if I didn't send it to you already, but I'm sure I have. And do it yourself. And if you want more info on this and everything else and the other products, which are amazing, the other products are another signal that's a little more involved. If you really want to get into trading, a little more trading, you might get 1-2 signals a day instead of one every couple months. Same concept. In fact, you make more because you have more signals, you have more ups and downs, and you're buying from the volatility. I hope this made sense. I did it fast and I kept it simple. Guess why? Because it is simple. Don't overthink it. This is what it is, what I just showed you. And remember, anytime you had $100 or whatever you think you can every month, look at this. Excuse me. $100 to that a month. 100 a month. We waste that. 2,194,000. Guys, women, 30s, 40s, 25. This can change things. If you're behind, I'm 58. You're in your 50s and you got a few years and you want to retire, this will make up the difference. Whatever happened, I don't give a darn what happened in the last few years. I'm not going to make it. I'm not to work till I'm 70. Not if you compound. Not if you get in a company that will send you signals and you do this yourself. Are there guarantees on anything? No. But historical proof I can give you, or I have given you, will show you this stuff is working. It's working for me now. And then this comes out, universal signal that anybody can do. And I mean super, super simple. That's all I got for today. Take the little calculator and do it for yourself. And then get back to me, or Mike, or Dan, and say, hey, I want to do this. It's $275 one time, and then $80 a month. Would you pay $80 a month to get this in 7 years? And remember, you can change the months too. $260. Oh, I couldn't use, $823,000. Come on, give it a go. Check it out. People are jumping on this like a fat rat in a cheese factory. This is a big deal. Check it out. Do it for yourself. Do something. Don't think that your company or your 401 is going to take you to the glory land. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You have to do something. You have to be able to make money, compound your money, make money work for money. It's a big deal. I've learned that this year. Anyway, thank you very much. I'm sorry I rushed through this, but none of the kids are here. My grandchildren live with me. And this is the short amount of time I have. But thank you very much. Check out this stuff. If you want something, ask for it. I would love to talk to you on Skype, Zoom, Facebook, telephone, whatever you want. I'm not afraid to talk about this because I love it. I'll see you all. Have a great rest of the week and Happy New Year. Anyway, I'm here if you need me. I mean that. Okay, bye.